Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Auto-Adjournment version 1.0, we're going to cover a brand new plugin that you may be interested in taking advantage of today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. For this plugin, I'm going to open my plugin store and click on the Available tab. And this plugin is simply called Auto-Adjournment. I'm going to download and then enable this plugin. I'll click OK and then yes to restart Eclipse to finish the process. I'll select my user again. And now that the plugin has been downloaded and enabled, it will be listed in my list of plugins. And if we look at the description, we see that it adds a real-time macro that I can assign to a stroke or voice steno utterance in order to action it during real time. And what this is going to do is grab the current time from my system clock. It will automatically calculate tomorrow's date, and it will insert a new paragraph containing this information in parenthetical format. This also adds a conditional page break, which will keep all of this information on the same page. So what I'm going to do is open up a note file that I've pre-prepared in order to demonstrate this new function. And so this is just a little snippet of text. And at the bottom, I've designated the stroke that I want to use in order to action this macro. So I'm going to global this. And where it says special entries, I'm going to choose execute macro. Now in the list of macros, I'm going to go to plugin commands. And if I look under the A's, I see auto adjournment RT. Just like what is listed in the description. I'm going to select that and press OK, and then I'll press OK to enter this into my main dictionary. So now at the end of this file, I have my auto adjournment command. So I'm going to start a virtual real-time translation, and we'll see exactly what this looks like when you use it. So I'm going to push my question through, and then the court will begin, indicating that we will reconvene tomorrow. And as soon as that macro was executed, we see that I have the parenthetical that was described in the description of the plugin. It grabbed the current time from my system clock, and it also grabbed tomorrow's date from my system calendar automatically. This plugin is customizable. If you'd like to change the text of the parenthetical or something about the formatting of the information within it, we can help you do that. Or you can take a look at plugins, edit Python code, and look at auto adjournment so that you can see exactly the text that gets entered. And the text that gets entered is this text here under the text equals sign. And you can adjust this to say any text that you'd like. But of course, tech support is always happy to help. We hope that you'll enjoy this plugin, and if you have ideas for similar commands or plugins, just let us know. We're always happy to accommodate custom requests. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out, and let us know if you have any requests for custom plugins. Have a great day!